Hi, I'm Rockford Lutka, one of the conference co-chairs and a speaker at Visual Studio Live San Diego, coming September 14th through 18th at the Baha'i Resort Hotel. This is where developers, architects, and technical leaders come to go deep on technology. At VS Live, we don't offer surface-level hype. We offer in-depth workshops, hands-on labs, and sessions on where our industry is going, taught by people doing the work. We cover modern.net, cloud, data, and AI, so you'll leave with a clearer picture of what's worth your time and what isn't. In San Diego, I'll be presenting MCP Magic, where we get past the buzzwords and into how MCP really works and how important it is as you build agentic applications. I'm also teaching Blazor from the ground up, along with a full-day Blazor workshop, so you'll leave able to build real-world applications. Come learn with me and bring your hardest questions. This is what VS Live is all about, is getting those answers. You can learn more at vslive.com/San Diego. Register now with discount code LOTKA, that's LHOTKA, and you'll save up to $500. I'll see you in San Diego at VS Live.